Morning on a rainy day in El Paso. Rocking out here to the Leonard Skinner Pandora station. I wanted to show you what I'm cooking up for this next few days. I love the salad I've been having, but I don't want to get sick of it. So I'm gonna change it up. Like I'm gonna force myself to eat a different salad for a few days that I don't really want, but I know I like it, so it'll be good enough. And here's what I'm making. So we did the mix again. I made, there's a bunch of green leaf lettuce and a little bit of romaine, a bunch of carrots, a bunch of Napa cabbage, and then there's some broccoli in there too. So I'm gonna mix that up and I'm gonna cover it, leave it in the fridge. That'll be the base of the salad this week. And then I had bought a bunch of vegetables. I had planned to do this. You know, I knew I was gonna do this. So I got out my wok. My husband helped me chop all these vegetables today. Luckily he was off work, so that was helpful. It's 9 o'clock now. I'm trying to get this all done before 11, including my workout and showering, so I can get to work at 11. That's sort of the schedule I'm trying to keep now. So I'm water sauteing all these vegetables. This was just a bunch of stuff. We had zucchini, we had summer squash, broccoli, cauliflower, we had some bok choy, onion, and peppers. I think that's it. Just kind of like whatever we had. Oh, and asparagus. Threw it all in, and now I like to do it in the wok. I think it's easier to manage the cooking of it, and so it doesn't fly over the edge, and you get more surface area, I think, to kind of cook stuff. I threw a little bit of water in there to start, but it doesn't need any more because these vegetables are giving off their own water right now. This is going to take about 20 minutes to cook down, and then this is a pretty when you don't use corn or some kind of starch, or actually we could use carrots. I want to throw some carrots in. When you don't use sweet stuff, it doesn't taste that good. So I always like to add in some carrot. I like to add in, it's like a can of some kind of tomato something sauce or chopped tomatoes or whatever. Then I'm going to add in this cruciferous stuff. This is collards and kales. I'm going to go run out and grab some from the garden too. I'll take you out with me, but I want to chop these carrots real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure I throw them in before things get too cooked, so they'll actually get cooked enough. Okay. Alright, let's run out to the back and grab some more cruciferous things. Okay, it's a rainy day today. And this guy I've been wanting to eat. He looks so nice. It's a winter plant, turns out. It grows really well in the winter. It does not grow in the summer, I found out. You live and you learn, huh? We got some mint, not doing so hot. I gotta fertilize it. Something's going on in there. Collards, these aren't doing super awesome, but that's okay. I'll just put them in anyway. These guys are doing okay. This one looks nice. This is red Russian kale. See that nice red stem thing? And go. Just chop it all up, throw it in. Okay, we have a harvest. This is so fun. I love doing this. But it was a lot of work to get here because I messed up a lot of stuff in a while. Now I think I understand it. Okay, I'm gonna chop these guys and throw them in. Okay, I just added some frozen corn, and I added all the cruciferous stuff from the garden and the kale and all that. Turned off the heat and it's done. Now I'm just gonna let it cool down. Lunch is served. All right, I made I just put some of my salad in here. I made I made a hummus. Just mashed up some chickpeas, added a bunch of different things, garlic and tahini and lemon and tahine, and yeah, that's about it, I think. Then I made my dressing. The dressing is the most important part of this salad, and it's what makes it just pop. So here's the dressing. I've shared this before in a challenge recipe before. It's so delicious. It is hummus plus I used this pizza sauce that we have, which has a lot of sodium. Pizza sauce. And then I put in some almond butter. That's the dressing. It's just mixed it up. That's it. I mean, you can eat it right out of here. It's so delicious. I'm gonna put the warm vegetables on top with the dressing. And then it's lunchtime, and I've got this orange and these blueberries to eat for afterwards. That'll do, donkey. Pretty good. Not as exciting as my sweet one. That's good. I'm gonna get a nice bite of that dressing. I always love to have corn in my savory salads. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go eat this while watching TV so that I can get through the whole thing. See ya.